Okay, welcome everyone. It's cold outside, but it's warm in here. And be careful, there could be some slippery spots, although it's warming up now.
Slippery spots right on the walk. Right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You know, it's somebody, whoever goes to a store should pick up a bag of salt. The shul will pay you. So we could, so we could throw it down. You know, nobody should chas v'shalom slip. Also Baruch Reif Reb Baruch, it's good to have you back. And Reb Avram, it's always good to see you. You know, when you're not here, there's a hole. So you should feel that way. Baruch Hashem, we have such fine people here. When somebody is missing, at least I feel it. I feel like there's a little hole. Okay, believe it or not, we're already learning the last Mishna in the second parak of Sanhedrin, sponsored by the Fisher family, Lili Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbat, Shalom ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain, Lili Nishmas David ben Chaim, for Shalem for Yomis ben Chayesas, Chus Avram ben ben Ishmael Yudis and family, for Meir ben Chayesar, for Shalem for Meir ben Estefadal, Mayo Klugman and family. So part of the honor we give to the king, actually it's the reverence, the awe that we hold the king in, is Ein Roichvin al Susay, nobody could ride his horse. Ve'ein Yoshvin al Kisay, nobody could sit on his throne. Ve'ein Mishtamshim b'Sharvitay, nobody could use his scepter. Ve'ein Royin Oisay Kishu Mistaper, and you don't look at him when he's taking a haircut. And that's an important thing, you know, people don't realize it. The chosh of a person is in a barber and people go over and they want to talk to him. When a person is taking a haircut, they look a little disheveled when it's in the middle. It's not respectful. Not when he's naked. And not when he's in a bathhouse. That seems superfluous, but it means even if it's in a place where everybody is naked, still he shouldn't be seen naked. You should put upon yourself a king. And the Mishna explains, what does it mean, put him upon yourself? Shetei oimasai alecha, that the feeling of reverence and awe should be upon you. Now, the third parak. As we continue marching through Shas, Dinei Mamanis Bishleisha, a financial matter is with a bezdin of three. Zeh boiro lo echad, one of the litigants chooses one of the judges, v'zeh boiro lo echad, and the second litigant chooses a judge. Ushneim boiro lo oid echad, and two of them together pick a third judge. Divrei Meir, that's the opinion of Meir. V'chachamim oimrim, no. What happens is each one picks a judge, and then the two judges pick the third judge. Shnei adayonim boiro lo oid echad. How now, in the choice of a judge, each one has veto power. Zeh poisel dayonan shel zeh. If, let's say, Ruvain picks a certain judge, so the other litigants could say, I don't want him. V'zeh poisel dayonan shel zeh. And each one has veto power. Divrei Rameir, that's the opinion of Rameir. Chacham say, you can't passel somebody, I don't like him. That's only if you bring a proof that he's a relative or he's passel in some other way. If he's a kosher, and surely if he's a mumcha, you can't say, I don't want him. We want to especially thank Yitzchak for coming through yesterday and doing the Mishna Yomis. Actually, we had lined up, Rich Leonard was supposed to do it, and he had a webinar that he couldn't get out of the last minute. So really, you were the man of the hour, right? I'm not going to say b'makam shein ish, because you are an ish, so thank you very much. Now, the next halacha is a really, really interesting case. Let's pick two people, Jack and no, Jack. Actually, Jack and Jack, right? Jack and Jack. Whenever you see J and J, Jack and Jack. Is your name also Yaakov? Yeah? So it's Yaakov and Yaakov, So, when Yud, that's a good thing. But anyway, Jack and Jack, they are two litigants. Now, Jack Warman says that he has two sets of witnesses to testify on his behalf. The Tanakama holds that since he says he has two sets of witnesses, he has to bring both sets. Otherwise, we don't accept what he said. So therefore, the first set of witness, the other litigant, Jack, could be mitzdaref with Reb Baruch and say that one of the Edom is no good, one of the first set is no good. He's a relative or apostle. Now, how could he give testimony as Negias? So the Tanakama, Rameir, holds that it's not Negei anyway, because we won't accept what Yaakov brought unless the other two witnesses testify as well. So it really is determined by the other two witnesses. So it really makes no difference. So Zeh Paisel Eidov Shel Zeh, Zeh Paisel Eidov Shel Zeh. In this unique case, even one of the litigants, together with Reb Baruch, could disqualify the first set of witnesses. Divrei Meir. Chacham say, nah, the fact that he said he has two, who cares? If the second set is enough, that's enough. Al pi shnayim eidim yakum davar. And therefore, Jack can't do anything with the first set. Because if the second set turns out to be no good, right, then it's going to make a very big difference if he disqualifies the first set. So, when could he disqualify witnesses? Bisman Shumevi Aleim Roya, when he brings two good witnesses, Yitzchak and Reb Baruch, Shem Kroivim Psulim, that they're a car of apostle. Avalim Hayuk Shem, if they're kosher, any Yakal Faisal. He's not believed. He's in a Geya B'davar. He can't passel them. I want to make a mention that even if you're not learning with us the daf every night, which is a big question why you're not, but tonight is an amazing daf of Agadah Gemara, and you really could come just to learn a very interesting piece of Agadah Gemara tonight at 8 o'clock. Our second Marav, which is strong, is at 7:45. Tonight we're going to have a meeting and see if we're going to continue the second Marav even through Hanukkah. We'll see. We'll see what the Eilam wants. And what else? Yetz Hashem, tomorrow we'll light the menorah here b'Pirsumei Nisa and Shul. Reb Chanani ben Akash Amaratza Kadosh Baruch Hu l'Zakos Yisrael.